Maaga pa raw para masabi ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kung sino ang ipanlalaban niya sa dating Cut-Unit team na si Vice President Sara Duterte para sa 2028 presidential elections. Ang sigurado, ang i-endorso niya raw ay yung patuloy ang laban kontra korupsyon. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si Maricel Halili.
Masyado pang maaga pero meron ng mga pangalang lumulutang na posibleng tumakbong presidente sa 2028. Sa ngayon, bukod tanging si Vice President Sara Duterte pa lang ang nagsabing kakandidato siya. Natanong tuloy si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, sinong ipangtatapat niya laban sa kanyang dating ka-unit team.
We certainly endorse a candidate in the 2028 elections. Who that is, I cannot tell you because even I don't know. So, maaga pa eh. It's a little early for that. And we don't know. We will certainly provide the best candidate.
Sa ngayon, kung pagbabasihan ng mga survey, si VP Sara ang nangunguna. Sunod si Naga City Mayor Leni Robredo na nagsabi na noon na wala siyang balak tumakbo sa national position. Natanong ulit si PBBM tungkol sa mga survey na yan.
How do you feel when you see surveys showing that Vice President Duterte is the leading preference to succeed you?
I don't really worry about surveys, quite frankly. I don't really, because of course I see them, but it doesn't make any difference to me. I don't change my decision because of the survey. I don't change direction because of a survey. I take a decision because that's what I feel is the proper decision to make.
Para naman sa Pangulo, ano naman ba ang katangian ng sinasabi niyang best candidate? Sa ngayon, meron ng dalawang bagay na nabanggit si PBBM na hinahanap niya sa susunod na presidente. Isa na riyan ay yung taong kayang ituloy ang laban ng kanyang administrasyon kontra korupsyon.
The candidate I will endorse will be somebody who I am confident will continue what we have begun in terms of the anti-corruption measures.
Ang isa pang katangian ay nabanggit na noon ni Pangulong Marcos, dapat daw maalam sa ekonomiya. Sinabi niya yan ilang araw matapos ang viral niyang pink na medyas nang makipagkita siya kay Mayor Robredo.
Somebody who understands economics. Because
Understands economics.
that's the first thing. That's the life of the person who understands how to create jobs, who understands how to keep the inflation rate down, who understands how to make food supply.
So, with the characteristics that you've mentioned on who should be the next president in 2028, have you already narrowed it down to about 2 or 3?
You're gonna get me into trouble. Well, certainly there.
He's going to answer it.
Of course, I'm
Go
going
ahead.
to answer it. Well, we have some people that we are talking to in mind. Many of them actually, some of them.
Pero sabi ngayon ng Pangulo, wala pa siyang personal na kinakausap para kumandidato.
Put it this way, I haven't sat down with anyone and said, do you want to run for president or not? No, we've not come anywhere near that.
Isa pang hindi malinaw ay kung makikipag-alyansa ba ang Partido Federal ng Pilipinas o magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang pambato sa 2028. Basta ang sigurado, merong kandidatong i-endorso si PBBM sa 2028. Pero kung kailan yan malalaman...
So, the time will come. The time will come.
Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Maricel Halili, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po. Maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.